Hello and welcome to this ICT lesson. Today I will show you how we can use headers and footers in MS Word to make great documents. It could be a letter or a report, and I will take this moment first to show you which part is called header and which part is called footer. If we have a document in Word like this one, there is a upper part. The upper part is what we call header, and we don't normally write our message in this part. This part is reserved for inserting things like logo, the name of the company or address, and other things. The lower part is also a special section where we don't write messages in it. This is what we call footer. And in the footer, you can insert things like page numbers and even maybe the current date and the time, if you like. Then the middle part, this is what we call the body of the page. This is where we normally write our messages. I will go ahead and start MS Word so that I can show you how we can make a nice logo, then insert it in the header of the document. We will write a message in the body part of the document, and we will insert a page number in the footer of the document. To start MS Word, I will just search here the name word and click it in the menu. I will start this blank document. I will go ahead and insert a picture which I want to use for my logo, so I will just come to insert picture. My logo is somewhere, my image is somewhere here. I will insert it here. So you can see the image is very big. I will just point to the corner of the image and squeeze it to be small at the corners so that it doesn't lose shape. And the background of this image is not white, so I will do a bit of correction here. I will just click that. I will just click the image, come to format, under corrections. I will choose the option with the white background like that. I want to move this image from this corner, so I will just click it and choose wrap text and choose an option called tight, and now I'm able to move it. I want to draw a shape around it, so I will come to insert shapes and choose this oval shape. Then I just draw. I will press shift to get a perfect circle. Then I want to remove the fill. I will just come here and choose here no fill. Then I will go back to the outline. Outline means border of the shape, and I want to make it maroon. Then I want to increase the size of that outline, so I will choose weight and choose a thicker line like that. I will press shift and reduce the size of this oval and resize it properly here. That is fine. I will come to insert word art. Then I will type the name of the school. Let me just call it Junior School. Nairobi. I will reduce the size of this font to maybe 12. I will change the color to red. Now I want to put an effect to this text so that it curves along the edge of this circle. So I will just come to, when it is selected, I will just choose format, then choose this option, text effects, then choose the one called transform and pick this one. Now I can come to the bottom handle and pull it downwards. Can squeeze this one like that and position it above the circle. Now it looks great. Now I want to change the whole of this into an image. To do that, I will just go to the keyboard. There is a button written print screen. I will press it to take the screenshot of my monitor. I will go ahead and start MS Paint and paste the art. Then I will select this image like this, only the area covered by the logo. Then I will choose a crop. So I will go ahead and save this in my folder somewhere. And give it the name logo. So it is done. The rest I will just delete now, since I have the image of the logo. Now I will double click on top of this document. So I wanted the footer to be shown, to be active. So I will double click on top here, and you can see now, the header is now shown, and there is a label showing that I am inside the header. I will go ahead, while inside the header, I will go ahead and click insert picture to bring my logo and insert it there. So the logo is inside the header part of this document. I will come to insert text box. I will choose draw text box, and I want to add the address of the school here. So let me call it Junior School Nairobi. Press enter. Can have an address of the school. Can write telephone number. And have email. I can also have website of the school. That is the web address. I will remove this hyperlink from this word by right clicking and choosing remove hyperlink. I will select these paragraphs, these 3 paragraphs, right click, choose paragraph here and choose a single to reduce the spacing between them. Then I will select this title, give it a design, maybe that one. Then I will come to text fill here. I will choose red color for it. Then I will come to home tab and increase the font size. Now this text box has a border or outline. I want to remove it, so I'll just click the outline and choose here under format and the outline here, say no outline, and I will come to shapes, insert shapes, I get a straight line, then I will draw, insert shapes, I will just draw a line below this address, press shift to get a straight line, and I will give it a nice color. Outline, you can make it let me make it orange, like that. So I have added a logo and a text box with information in the header of this document. To close the header, I will come to headers and footers design here and choose this close header and footer. So now my document has a header with some information. Now I want a footer. Before I put footer, I can now write my letter, maybe here, dear parents, maybe it is regarding school opening. Can write something small. We wish to inform you that the schools will open its doors on 24th September 2020. Maybe principal. Okay, let me bolden this here. So this is a letter. I have designed a letter head here. It has a head with school address and a logo. So down here I want to insert page number in the footer. Let me bolden this name of the principal here. So I want to access the footer of this page. One method is to double click the footer, but you can as well come here, insert, then choose here footer, then say edit footer, like that. So I am inside the footer and I will come and insert a page number. I will just come to insert and look for page number here, bottom of page, then maybe choose any design. Let me just choose this one. So I have inserted a page. Now I can close the footer. So you can see now my footer has page number and my header has the logo and the school address, and the body of the page has the message for the parents. This is all I have for today. Thanks for participating. See you next time. Bye bye.